Today we are going to see about biochemical changes of food spoilage. During food spoilage, the following biochemical changes occur. First one is putrefaction. Second one is fermentation. Third one is rancidity. Fourth one is autolysis. First one is putrefaction. Putrefaction is the enzymatic decomposition of the proteins present in the food with the production of foul-smelling compounds such as hydrogen sulfide, ammonia, etc. It is caused by Pseudomonas, Proteus, etc. During putrefaction, protein is converted into amino acids, amines, ammonia and hydrogen sulfide. This is the reaction during putrefaction. Protein is converted into amino acid plus ammonia. Plus hydrogen sulfide by the activity of microbes. Second one is fermentation. Fermentation is the anaerobic enzymatic conversion of carbohydrates into ethyl alcohol. It is caused by Streptococcus, Micrococcus, etc. This is the reaction during fermentation. Carbohydrates is converted into alcohol plus gases. By the activity of fermentation microbes. Third one is rancidity. Rancidity is the decaying of fat. During rancidity, fat is converted into fatty acids and glycerol. This is the reaction. Fat is converted into fatty acids plus glycerol. Fourth one is autolysis. Autolysis is the spontaneous disintegration of cells or tissues by enzymes. Example, spoilage of meat. Meat is the animal flesh used as human food. It includes sheep, goats, cattle, pig and chicken. Meat contains 75% water, 19% protein, 2.5% lipid and 1.2% carbohydrate. The spoilage of meat is due to chemical and biological process. %75 water, 19% protein, 2.5% lipid and 1.2% carbohydrate. The spoilage of meat is due to chemical and biological processes. Thank you for watching this video.